Ni taarifa za kuwatua nyoyo ambazo familia moja katika eneo la Kitengela imepata kuzipokea siku 10 baada ya kumpeleka mwanao shuleni apate kujiunga na shule ya upili. Mwanao alipelekwa shuleni, ila wao familia imepata kuitiwa mwili wa mwanao akiwa marehemu akiwa amelazwa mochari. Ni moja kati ya visa ambavyo vinagonga vyombo vya habari na kupata kuzungumziwa sana haswa kwenye mitandao ya kijamii kuhusiana na machungu ambayo familia hii inayapitia kwa sasa. Kulingana na machapisho kadhaa ambayo tumepata kuyaona, nataka tupate kuzungumza kuhusiana na hili. Now, a certain family or one family in Kitengela, a family in Kitengela is seeking justice after their son Emmanuel Kiremi, a Form 1 student at Kilungu Boys in Makueni County, passed away. The boy died on January 25th, approximately 10 days after being admitted to the school. The family suspects foul play and accuses the school administrations of covering it up. Sometimes, let's finish this publication. According to Joshua Kaimenyi, the student's father, he received a call informing him that Kiremi had suddenly fallen ill and was needed at the school. Mr. Kaimenyi insists that his son was in good health when he left him at the school. I'm a pastor, and I was ministering at his senior when I received a phone call from the school principal, Mr. Geoffrey Mwema. He told me to rush to the school because my son had fallen sick, he said. Now, upon arriving at the school, Mr. Kaimenyi was informed of his son's death. Overwhelmed by the sudden loss, he broke down. The school informed me that they had tried to save my son's life, but their efforts were in vain. They said he had been experiencing stomach complications for days and that they had been administering oral medication at the school. He recounted. The family is now protesting against how the school handled their son, which they believe led to his death. They question why they were not informed early about Kiremi's alleged stomach complications and why the school decided to take the body to the Kilungu Sub-County Hospital morgue before the parents arrived. The school claims that the boy died in the hospital, but we have evidence to the contrary, said the deceased cousin Lisa Mongera. However, the school principal insisted that the boy did not die at the institution. We did everything we could to save the boy's life, he stated. Wacha hapa tusimame na tuongee. Mara nyingine pia shule zingine zina design ambayo kuna kisa fulani majuzi nimekifanya katika eneo la Ruiru ambapo mtoto mchanga wa miaka 3.5 alipata kufariki baada ya mwalimu kuwapeleka kule kucheza katika mkahawa mmoja kule eneo la Ruiru, na mtoto akaanguka ndani ya dimbwi la maji akapata kuiaga dunia. Do you know what the school head teacher did? The school head teacher tried to cover up the case. What they did, they even went ahead to file a report na kujaribu kucover the story. You people who only care about yourself, your effing self. That is one thing with the human race. Nyinyi mpo tu mjilinde, mpo tu mjitunze, mpo amjali wengine watasema vipi, wanapitia yapi, lakini mpo tu mjilinde nyinyi wenyewe. Kitu ambacho sometimes tunakuwa mbona tuwe wachoyo hivi, tunakuwa watu ambao tunajipenda sana. Sasa kulingana na taarifa zingine, insiders are revealing that Kiremi's body iko na marks kwa uso wake, ni kana kwamba alikuwa amepigwa. Unajua, mara nyingine tunasemanga bullying iliisha shuleni, lakini bullying ipo bado. Inaweza kuwa mtoto alipigwa mle shuleni, so these people trying to cover up the bullying in the institution, they rushed the body to the mortuary, and then a day or two comes calling the boy's father. Remember, mzazi ameitwa leo. Mtoto wake aliaga dunia di 25. It's so sad losing a life that it just started being late. Wewe ndio umempeleka mwanao shule upili, umeshaanza kuona future mwanao, and then you receive a call. All we can say is that we wish nothing but God's grace cover this family because there is nothing compared to losing a child. Now, watu wanaongea kwenye mitandao ya kijamii. Now, January has been there's something, a death that's been roaming all over Kenya this January. Do you know how many prominent lives we have lost? How many celebrities we have lost this January? A lot of lives. A lot of lives have been lost this January. And many, we have had the campaign of head femicide in Kenya. It is a campaign that has been seen to portray that, girls are being killed. And who are killing our girls? Men are killing our girls. But we can also attest to that. We can also support that. But you know what? This country needs deliverance. And not deliverance by ones only. Deliverance by prayers right now. Both the Islam and the Christians needs to get on their knees and pray for this country. For now, that's what's up. See you in the next one. This is FM Show. And my name